In Golden Gate Park, you'll find the California Academy of Sciences, designed by the Renzo Piano Building Workshop in 2008. The existing group of buildings were damaged in an earthquake. Some walls were preserved and incorporated into the new design around a central entry courtyard with a concave glass canopy. The museum includes a natural history gallery, an aquarium, and a planetarium. A living roof with undulating domes exhibits sustainability. Photovoltaic cells between glass panels line the perimeter of the roof. Try the museum's restaurant for a lunch or the Terrace pavilion designed by Mark Cavagnero. Enjoy your visit to the museum.